Hi folks, I'm Martin at Ferntree Gully Hyundai. Today in the showroom I'm going to show you the iLoad replacement, which is the new Staria Load. This is it. Come with me now, we'll go and have a look at this great vehicle. Now let's have a look at the interior of the new Staria Load. As you can see, fantastic opening space we have in the vehicle. And one thing about this car, it's based on the Santa Fe, so it is a real car-like drive for this car. It's got the 2.2 litre diesel, it's got the 8-speed automatic transmission as well, but it's got the absolute suite of safety in it. Let me take you through that suite now. One of the new features of the Staria Load is the folding mirrors. Look at that, just in and out. You get into the tight parks, ripper extras of the car. We haven't got a handbrake anymore. All the technology, we've gone to an electronic handbrake as well. So it's very simple, just push and pull, turn the handbrake off and on. Auto headlights are now standard across the range. If you come in and have a look here, you'll see the adaptive cruise control. So the cruise control is adaptive, so we can adjust the speed and adjust the distance of the car in front of you. That's easily done through here. Through here, another new thing is the lane follow. So it actually, the car will follow the lane. Across here, you've got your Bluetooth, you've got all your modes for your radio, or your Apple CarPlay, or your Android, your telephone off and on. It's one of the brand new steering wheels. This is the steering wheels out of the new Tucson as well. It's a really comfortable leather wrap steering wheel. This is the new setup in the cluster. So we've gone away here. You look at all this space, all these things you can put bits and pieces up on here. Just have a look at this now. Here's your speedo. Here's your fuel gauge. Haven't put your seat belts on, the handbrake's on. You got the park, it's good for the gear shifter, so it's park and drive and neutral all the way through. You can see the car here, we can see the right hand front doors open, see the distance to empty. We can see the speedo, picking up the speed of the road you're travelling down to. 23 degrees inside, 17 kilometres. That's the tacho now, you can see that's just all there. But one thing that's really impressed me is the space inside the car. I'm 6'4", for people who've watched me videos before, I'm 6'4" and I'm very comfortable in there. Come across the other side and we'll go and we'll do some of the technology. So this system is fully compatible Auto Android, Apple CarPlay. Very simply just plugging in down here into the auxiliary. You can stream your phone up onto the screen, you can do your mapping, and you've got your phone calls, you've got your messages, etc, etc. Really simple to use. It's become standard throughout all our brands, our models now. Here you've got your heating and your air conditioning. Very simple, very easy to touch. Another great inclusion is push the button and it brings up the camera. So you can see in the camera, that's the rear there. You can see the back of the van there. We can also change the modes. See down the left side, see down the rear side, or above. A lot of expensive German cars have this sort of system. Actually, you can see the vehicle. See, I'm turning the wheels. You can see that the wheels are turning on the screen as well. And that gives you the setup for the system as well. You don't get that in a work van. It's really advanced. Also here, we've got the auto hold button. So that actually allows you to engage the brakes, hold the brakes in the traffic so you don't have to hold your foot on the brake at all. And also there, the drive mode for the vehicle. You've got 3 drive modes, which are up here. You've got the economy, you've got the normal mode, and the sport mode. And one thing you'll notice on the litres per 100 kilometres, it's very fuel efficient, 7 litres per 100 k's on the city cycle, which is great. The new shifter, very easy to use, and you can flick it across and drive it as a manual as well. That's really cool. So you've got plenty of storage, wireless charging up on the thing here. So just put your phone in there, charge, really simple, hook it up to the Bluetooth, easy. You get plenty of storage and knickknacks and all that sort of stuff. A couple other things I'll point out to you is, you have a look at the air conditioning vents. All the air conditioning vents are here, right in front of the drivers and the passengers. Good size glove box. But up here, on both sides, you might see, have a look at this, you've got storage up here, underneath, above here. So you can put your papers, put your bits and pieces, put your wallet out of the view of everybody. It's really cool. One other feature is, this is a 2-seater model. They come in 2-seaters or 5-seaters, and this car now has got airbags in the seat. So in the event of a side accident, the airbags will inflate here between us so the passengers don't hit each other in the accident. Great feature. As you can see, the twin side sliding doors are still standing in the new Staria load. This cargo area now can fit 2 Australian size pallets. So if you need to carry a pallet, you can fit 2 in here nice and easily. Let's go around the back and have a look at that. One of the things I really love about the Staria is the size of the tailgate and the size of the opening. Like I said, you can fit pallets in there, but I'm 6'4", as I said earlier. Look at this. You can actually stand underneath. So if any tradie, it's raining, you've got to go to the back of your van, hey, you're not going to get wet at all. But just have a look at the size of it's absolutely cavernous in there. And the beauty thing is just it is basically a Santa Fe in a commercial vehicle. Drives really well. One thing I really noticed is how much real estate is on the back of the vehicle. So on the tailgate, on the sides down here, so branding will be really easy to do, and you'll really stand out amongst the crowd. Thanks very much everybody for watching me. Just to recap, the new Staria load has a 5-year warranty. It has 10 years roadside assistance. It has servicing every 12 months or 15,000 kilometres, and the servicing cost is capped for the first 5 years at $360 per annum or kilometres. Even though we're in lockdown, we're still here to help you out. Give us a ring on 97531888 or jump on the website, fentrygullyhyundai.com.au. And if you're really after a van and you need one, I think we've got half a dozen coming next month. Stock is going to be really tight, but I'll do my best to get you one.